Hi, I am Ditodip Roy Burman. I am from Manandamay Vidyapit School, Agartala, Tripura. This year I cleared my class 10 board examinations and emerged as the school topper. I want to express my gratitude and want to thank AKS Educational Awards for the honor. I want to thank my parents, my teachers and my elder sister for guiding me in my path and making my path to success easier, and for encouraging me in whatever I wanted to do. For me, self-study and self-analysis are the most important pillars for a student's growth, and that is every topic that we learn on a day-by-day basis, we should be revising it, recalling it, and noting it down, and that's my process.
Hello everyone, myself Shamsi Deburma Rai Burman, mother of Ditodip Rai Burman of Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit. First of all, I want to thank AKS Education Awards for the honor and recognition. I only guide him to be disciplined and honest in life. He is very much calm and caring child. I try my level best to support him as a mother and encourage him to do better. He always studies on his own. I never have to command him for that. He also likes drawing, dancing, painting, watching movies and listening songs. I always support him for that. Thank you.
Myself Urmisha Devnath, student of Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit. With the support and encouragement of my parents and teacher, I was able to score 100 out of 100 in maths in class 10 board exam. I would like to express my sincere gratitude of my principal ma'am and teachers of Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit. Last but not the least, my parents are always there to guide and inspire me and polish me with the best. I also thank to AKS for organizing this award ceremony. Thank you.
I am father of Urmisha Devnath. She was a student of Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit. Urmisha got 100 out of 100 in mathematics in class 10 board exam 2020. I am grateful to all the staff of Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit. Especially, I thanks from my heart to the teachers of Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit. I express my sincere thanks to AKS for organizing Educational Award ceremony to encourage the students. Thank you.
Hello, myself Adrita Deburma. I have passed class 10 CBSE exam from Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit in the year 2020. I have secured 91.6% in the said exam, and I am also the subject topper of social science from my school, securing 97% in the given subject. I am very glad and thankful to AKS Education Awards for conducting the National School Toppers Award. My mantra for success is perseverance and hunger for perfection. I am extremely grateful to my school, principal ma'am and teachers for their constant efforts to groom me. And of course, I am grateful to my parents, my idol and my friends for being the continuous source of my support and encouragement. Thank you.
Hello, I am Griti Deburman, mother of Adrita Deburma, who has passed class 10 CBSE exam from Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit in 2020. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for honoring and awarding our children. I believe it will help them to be motivated and to build up confidence for their future life. Adrita is basically a sincere and obedient child. We, the parents, never tried to impose our choice upon her. We just kept on giving her moral and motivational support. That's all. The rest is done by Adrita herself and her school and her teachers. Thanks to her.
I am Krishna Patri from Ma Anandamayee Vidyapit Agartala, class teacher of standard 10. At first, I want to give a special thanks to AKS Education Awards for honoring and awarding our students. I want to give honors of our school topper and subject toppers for their success. Obviously, I will tell you one thing. This is the result of their hard work, and this is true that they all were well cooperated with us. And I think this is one of the good qualities of a student, because if the student do not share their problem, then we cannot provide our best. So I would request to all students, please share your all doubts with your teachers and do hard work. If you do hard work and concentrate your mind in studies, then nobody can stop you.